Yeah, hi. So I'm going to a place where I can
Wherever
sit.
you feel comfortable, you can sit. It's your own.
Yes.
I love podcasting.
Love
Some energy. We have already have the dinner. I love
Podcasting.
So, guys, welcome to International Podcasting League. This is a company started by me and Santosh Akela. I'm a chartered accountant, started my own podcast, Nestpod, about my journey as a chartered accountant and more of inspiring women entrepreneurs, which will be the next series of the podcast, which I'm looking forward to. Over to you, Santosh.
Hi everyone. So welcome to this International Podcasting League. And as Nishan said, we have started this initiative, this company or anything. So in order to basically increase the number of podcasters and also support the podcasting community, because we have seen that from the past 2 years, podcasting has been growing like anything. And very recently, I even quoted telling that podcasting is going to be the new normal storytelling, because if you go to Google, you get a lot of information today, right? How many of you get a lot of information when you get Google? How many of you Google at least once a day? If you Google at least once a day, put one in the chat right now.
Yeah, I do.
You do, right? Yes.
Yes,
So
we do.
we all Google at least once a day and we get the same information or similar kind of information as per the indexing. But now, what is the importance of podcast? This is where the importance of podcast comes into picture, because we start conversing with one more person, and then that is not the information but the experience, not the information but the perspective, not the information but the feeling of the another person regarding one topic. And that is where podcasting is going to stand out from normal content or any other content. And for the past few years, 2 to 3 years, we had almost 30 million people started to listening podcast, and that is increasing. Why? Because it is easy to listen. You can close your eyes and you can listen to it. You can go travel, you can listen to it. You're cooking, you can listen to it with the help of a Bluetooth earphone or Bluetooth speaker or something. And the best part, it is available only in your mobile phone and you won't have to do anything. And these are some of the things why podcasting is growing like anything. And coming to me, even I have started podcast before few days. Me and Nishant, we together were able to reach until 19,000 people across the platforms together by using our podcasts. And we have almost recorded 25 podcasts till date, and we are also planning to do a lot more in the coming future. And yeah, with that, I'll give it back to Nishant to start it.
So, guys, today will be like a elevator podcasting pitch. I will give you 1 minute to talk about your journey, why you started podcast, what is your podcast all about, and what is you looking forward from us. So we'll give you 1 minute for everyone, so everyone get a chance to express themselves, tell about their podcast, and you can, after your speech, you can actually put it on the chat box, your podcast link. So we will make sure that we promote yourself and we promote every podcaster. For us, it's an international podcaster. Let's do it for the podcasters. So we'll have Santosh. We can have Anne starting. Annie, we'll start with you.
Yeah, we can start with and before that, some people are wondering. I think Nishan, they don't have a podcast. So,
That's okay.
but
Even if you don't
however,
have a podcaster, you need to just tell what is the what you would like to share your experience to the audience at large, to the world. So even if you don't have a podcast, that's okay. If you're here, you're definitely trying to make a podcast. We are here to help you how to make a podcast also in the next series. But today we will just want to know about your experience, what you want to share. Because your audience is very important when you want to start a podcast. What you looking forward from, what you want to express to the audience at large. Okay? So
yes.
don't worry, even if you don't have a podcast, we'll make sure that you will have a podcast after this.
Great, great. That's very encouraging. That is what our all mission and motto is all about. So, with that, I have unlocked Anne on the spotlight right now. Yes.
Well, good day, and thank you for this opportunity. My name is Annetta Work Sally, but I'm best known as I Celebrate You 365. My podcast is about creating safe spaces for growth, for healing, and celebrating without apology. Talking about topics of self-care and wellness. Also on topics of faith and how we can grow together and live together in this world. I would like to reach viewers who are interested in developing themselves, whether it's professionally or personally. I'm interested in helping young people find their voice and being able to cast it for impact. I would like to be known as the celebrator of the celebrated. That's my podcast. I Celebrate You 365 is just that every day people are finding safe spaces for their sacred places. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Anne. I think you are a celebrated and celebrating podcaster. And I want you to tell I love to podcast right now on this channel. You can say I love. Yeah, sure. Sorry. Yes.
Oh, you want me to say that statement?
Yeah, you can say that. You can say that.
Oh, yes. And I love podcasting.
Thank you and thank you. I think helping out people and putting people on a safe place is something that we all should strive for. And with that, let's move to our second podcaster. So who wants to go next? So let's start with Neha. So Neha has recently started a podcast. I've seen her links and she's doing something very exciting. Rather than me killing the suspense or spilling or some water on her content, let her speak about that. So Neha, if you're around, you can unmute yourself and start speaking about your podcast. Thank you.
Hi, Santosh. Thank you. I am sorry I'm not in a place where I can start my video.
Sure.
Okay. As my podcast is about history, so I have always been fascinated by history. And so I read a lot about history, and that's what I share in my podcast. What I have read, what I have understood about what all the episodes of history that have happened. And we live in a world where we have some very colorful history, like some things that have happened in history are so interesting. So I like to share that with others, and that's what my podcast is all about. It's called Unraveling History, where I try to unravel some episodes of history.
Yeah, that's amazing to hear about having know about history. India is a country full of many histories which everyone loves about it, and we love to hear that. And like it said, that history repeats itself. We would like you to just repeat one word. I love podcasting.
I love podcasting.
Yo. Thank you, Neha. Great to know about you. You can share your podcast link on the chat box. So we will try to promote more and more about your podcast. And we would love to hear more about the history of India. I'm sure you do about India, or you do history across the globe.
I do history across the globe.
Wow.
But
That's great.
About India as well, of course.
Good. It's great to hear about that. Santosh, who's on the next?
So we can have next, we have recently joined Muhammad Wakiruddin, and he has this interesting backdrop of United Nations, and that makes me curious. Hi Muhammad, how are you?
I am good. How about you? Thanks
I'm
to
good.
Nisha to invite me.
So Wakar, can we have your video on and we can hear about you?
Yes, sure. Because video, can you take another participant, because my video, I have to log in with the other device. I will logging in.
So okay, it's fine. Yeah. We'll give you. Yeah, you can. In the meanwhile, you can go to. Let's go to Gayatri now.
Gayatri, hi.
Hi, Gayatri. And Gayatri, before introducing yourself, we want you to introduce your kid first. Yeah.
I'm a counseling psychologist, And I also run a music academy. It's a voice culture and vocal music academy. I believe in, you know, I want to create an impact in the adolescent community. I want them to get rid of the guilt and shame, and I want to be an instrument in shaping up their personalities. I worked as a life skills educator in 2 different schools in Chennai. And right now, I'm a freelance counselor working with women as well as teenage kids. And then I thought, you know, music is also an instrument in relaxing people. So I'm now focusing on music as a therapy. So I'm trying to integrate counseling and music, trying to heal people. So, but I have no idea about podcast. I was super impressed when Anna ma'am spoke. So, you know, I'm so shy to even look at my face right now as I'm talking. But I keep posting a lot of things. I write a lot. So I have a blog, I write a lot, but I'm totally new to this podcasting stuff. So I just wanted to get an insight. That's why I'm here.
Thank you, thank you, thank you
Yeah.
so much, Gayatri. And before you close, we want you to tell our key phrase for the day. What is that?
I love podcasting. I have no idea, but I would want to love podcasting. Maybe I would say that.
Great, great. Thank you, thank you. And
Thank
with
you so much.
that, I think the synergy of mixing up voice culture is what something that is needed for the world, because you are going to mix some art and a form of science, and when they both mix up together, that is going to be a great, great, great synergy. And with that, let's move to Muhammad Bakar. Muhammad, yeah.
Yeah, thank you. This is the session for Toastmaster or it's like a normal session?
It's an international podcasting league. It's not nothing related to podcast. Not related to Toastmaster at all. So don't worry.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Santosh, and thanks for invitation from Mr. Nishan. I really like it the way when he presents Nisha about all those things are unique for me. When he's talking about something, I am clearly listening what he's talking about. So I really like him. And pod, I I am a Toastmaster. In future, my project also will come on the podcast. So I want to know more about the podcast, how it can be beneficial for me as a personal, and how it can be expanded to the professional life, which can be beneficial. This is what I would like to know. And thank you so much. And over to you, Mr. Santosh.
Thank you, Vakar, for coming. So basically, podcast is about your voice. It is sharing about your experience, your personal experience, or a story you want to share and enhance the knowledge of all the audience. And it is like giving back to the society. It is more about the voice you create. Your people also use a video podcast also, but genuinely when it started, it was developed in 2004, and it was all about voice culture. So we will love the Toastmasters who we focus on vocal variety and everyone to join and be a part of the podcasters. Over to you, Santosh. Thank
Yes,
you.
thank you. So with that, let's move to Mr. Sethi, writer. Mr. Sethi?
Let's start with Soumya. Soumya is there for a long time. Soumya,
Yeah,
hi.
sure, sure. Let's start with Soumya then.
Soumya, you're there? Yeah. Hi. Soumya, are you there? Yeah. Hi.
Yeah, hi. Hi, Nishan.
Hi.
Actually, I was in mid of kitchen. That's why I wasn't able to speak. Sorry.
Can we have your video on?
Sorry, I'm somewhere in mid of. I won't be able to.
No
But
worries.
is it okay to be on voice
Yeah.
only?
Sure.
Okay. So actually, a very big hi to everyone. I'm literally enjoying the stuff on video. And actually, very recently, I have been I can say I have introduced myself to this podcasting, and I feel myself really lucky that you guys have instantly put this stage of celebrating international podcast here. So I'm seriously thinking about it. That a few days back I was thinking that I should start something new with podcast, and suddenly Destiny has provided me with this great platform today. So I'm very
Telepathy.
thankful to you guys. And right now I'm currently a total newbie in this field. So I would be watching you all and enjoying you all. And then I would be thinking that I should take it really, I would be really getting inspired by it. So that's all for what I'm here. And I love podcasting.
Thank you. Thank you.
Great. So we have our international podcasting WhatsApp group also. We will share the link in the chat box. So you all can definitely join and also, and you will learn more about podcasting, and you can always promote your own podcast there. So can we have Vandana? Vandana, are you there?
Vandana.
Vandana there? Akshay? Is Akshay there?
Yeah, Nishant, I'm here.
Hi, Akshay.
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 Hello.
Can we have can we know more about you?
Sure, Nishant. And excuse me for the camera because my laptop doesn't support one. Anyways, good day to everyone. I love podcasts and people who do podcasting. Apart from that, I listen to a lot of podcasts which are known, which are not known. I've also heard to members starting their podcast in their initial stages, like who have done just 1 or 2 episodes, and I am always there to help them out. I have a dream of starting my own podcast, which soon I shall do within these next 3 months. I have thought about the content. Thank you, Anita, for the cheers. So the content is all about how nature inspires the designs. So I just recently had attended one of the conferences around this design principles by nature, and that just struck a chord. Like so many things from around thousands of years we have been deriving from the nature. So I want to start a podcast around that, and I've aligned my all other goals also as per that. So I'm reading a lot about it, and I've come across like 2-3 podcasts which are really doing good in this. I also would like to share something in this huge drop of ocean around nature. So that's all about me. Thank you, Nishant and Santosh, for this meeting. It's wonderful to hear there are so many people who are starting their podcast, who love podcasts. It is always good to interact with them. And last, as history repeats itself, I love podcasting.
Thank you so much, Akshay. So I think you are speaking about Gestalt's laws and other things, and you say that how nature inspires designs. And yes, in fact, nature has inspired a lot of designs in this world. Say, for example, when we take about the design of India, how Indian territory is being designed, or how products are being designed when we look at them. I think that is very fascinating and interesting topic. And with this lockdown and the world going through a change, I think this topic is going to be the most relevant thing for the world to take up. And with that, let's have our next participant. So, Nishant will have Mr. Sethi. Mr. Sethi,
Are you there?
It's
Yeah,
yes, sir. It's not Sethi. It's Sethi.
Sethi. Okay, okay.
Good
Sorry,
evening to
sorry.
all of you
Yeah.
who are watching this video or who are online in a meeting on this meeting.
Good evening.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yes. No need to call me sir. You can call me bro, or you can call me. If you call me sir, I feel that I may be told. So I think maybe you can call Nishant sir, but not me.
You can actually call everyone by the name because we are all podcaster. So
Yes.
rather than have someone known by the
No.
podcast channel or the name of
Yes,
the
sir.
podcast, that's better to know. I'm Nishpod.
Yes, sir. No, sir. You all of the senior of me in podcast line. So I want to say you all of you, sir or ma'am.
So what do you do and what do you intend to do in a podcast which you want to share up? Start.
Sir. Okay. Well, I am a podcaster who writes on family relationships and mostly broken heart of who breaks everyone. I want to say to you that everyone faces family, fake, uh, fake friends, fake lovers, fake family relationships.
Hmm.
So you write about that. Great, great, great. So can we have something like that? You will love podcasting, or you can say, I love podcasting, Mr. City. Mr. City is gone.
Okay, so I think Mr. Sethi is going to write about relationships because that is going to be very important, I think, because nowadays everybody is staying with their wife at home without going to office.
There is a lot of problem
Yeah, when
happening.
you're staying at home, it's going to be a lot of problem, right? So I think he's doing a great job, Mr. Sethi. So all the best to you. I hope that one day I'll be reading your book, and yeah, and I'll also do some book reviews normally. So I hope that I'll also be reading your book, and with this, I also want to send the YouTube link that I have my channel on. So Nishant, you can select the next participant. Meanwhile.
Yeah. So can we have Samuel Francis? Are you there? Samuel? Redmi or Galaxy? Anyone there? Hi.
Hello. I'm Maria, not Redmi. Sorry, my mistake. I forgot to change my name, and I'm here to know the details about podcast. I don't have a clear picture of that. I'm a Toastmaster, so I'm just looking for the next level. So what it is. So I'm listening you all very keenly, and hopefully would get a clear picture about what is podcast at the end of the session, I believe. Thank you. And I love podcast. Thank you so much.
Great. So we will definitely, podcasting is more about the voice culture. And it can be like whatever the speech we deliver in podcasting and Toastmasters. You can actually share your experience through your voice on different channels like Anchor, Apple Podcasts, or a Google Podcast. And there are many more. So whatever you feel like, if you share on Anchor, automatically it circulates to all the other platforms automatically. And you don't need to again upload it on any other platform. And it's a great platform to share your voice to the audience, and you are actually talking to a person and sharing your experience. It's like you are on a radio and you're telling the people around what you want to like and what you like, or you sharing your story of what experience and what you want to do in life. You never know, your audience might help you out to give you experience or will be benefited by your experience. That is the podcasting. It helps people both sides. It's not that one side only we are giving gyan, or we are just giving gyan. You definitely learn from other podcaster. Like from Anne, we are definitely learning a lot. From Santosh, I'm learning a lot about podcasting. Gayatri, I will learn more
Yes.
about the music podcasting and all this. So it's definitely helping each and every person of us. That's the reason it's a mixture of many people coming together and sharing their experience. That's the reason we started this International Podcasting League, where we want everyone to share their experience, share their joy, happiness, sorrow, and we learn from each other.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, I agree to
And
that.
please, just one more question. Treat me as an LKG child, maybe. So my question may be silly. I've already told I'm an LKG. So just is there any guidance or a proper path to do this podcasting, like a set of any learning on this?
Yeah, definitely. We are coming up with the next session will be definitely on. We will break down all the session into different part of how to do podcasting and all that. So definitely you can join the WhatsApp group. Is already there on the group.
Yeah, I've taken a
And we
screenshot.
will keep you updated on everything, whatever you want to know about podcasting.
Fine. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
And Maria, I think
Yes.
you are at the right place because you are telling that you are a Toastmaster and you want to level up. And when you want to level up, this is the place. And one thing that I loved the most about you is that you telling. So there is a saying I'm not able to recall, but I'll try to put it in my own words that there are only two kinds of people. Type one, they think that they are intelligent, but they are ignorant. And type two, they ask. And you are the type two personality. Great going. I think that you are going to be a rock star with respect to podcasting. So, yeah. So let's keep the wheel moving. And
Thank you for this motivational words.
yeah,
Thank you so
thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
And we will love if you can change the Redmi to Maria.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. We'll do it now.
Santosh, over to you.
Yeah. So I think we need to go to Samuel. Samuel is on. Samuel, you are there.
Yes. I'm here.
Hi, Samuel.
I was just listening. I just joined lately only, and I just wanted to find out what is podcasting. So I do not know anything about it. So only just it's something related with voice or something like that. So I thought of getting information about all what is happening in the podcasting and all. So that's why I had joined over here.
So thank you, Samuel. So the activity that we are actually doing is that you can speak out what you are going to record if you ever become a podcaster. Okay. So what is that one message, that one topic that you will be interested in speaking about?
Actually, basically, I'm a teacher and a career coach. So I keep giving consultations and teaching the students. So I just wanted to record all my whatever lessons are there, planning out. So it would definitely going to help me out.
Yes.
So, but I do not know the exact techniques of how to record and all in a proper way. Like that, the normal classes are going on, but in the how in a most efficient way in order to attract the students, in order to attract my whoever is I'm going to give the coaching and all. So definitely it's going to help me a lot.
Yes, Samuel, I think it will help you because if you see right now in India as well, we have this new education policy that is being rolled out, and with that in place and all the youth of the country being on digital media, if you are going on a digital platform, then that will definitely increase your reach. And that is what I firmly believe. And with that, I would love if you would tell one phrase that we have
Thank
been
you, sir.
telling. Yeah. So one phrase that we have been telling for today, that is, I love podcasting. You can say, I love podcasting once I say start.
I love podcasting.
Oh, thank you. And Anna, so Anne has put one question in the chat box that how is podcasting different from a radio? So according to me, how I see podcasting is simple like this. So when we used to work, or I mean from offices, not from home, and when we used to be in school, college, then we used to basically sit with our friends and chit chat, right? So those were the interesting conversations wherein you are looking forward, okay, where this is going to be, where this is going to take me. So that is what I look forward to in a podcast. According to me, the difference between a radio and a podcast is a radio is going to be a one way. You're speaking, and the audience is listening. But here, a radio is kind of a monologue, it is a speech, still it is a speech, but a podcast is a conversation between two people. So, today, if I am telling that my name is Santosh, what do you do? If I am telling that I am working in IT, in which field you are working? And when I say that, so in that way, it goes on in depth into one topic. And that is what I feel is the difference between radio and a podcast. So, with that, Nishant, let's move to the next person.
Yeah, I think Galaxy is the next person. Galaxy, are you there? Galaxy, if you don't speak, then you need to give me a Galaxy phone then. I think Galaxy is not there.
Galaxy 1, Galaxy 2, Galaxy 3.
So, Mr. Santosh, would you like to answer this question? Mr. Sethi has written one word.
I think you can better, or else if you want me to do, I'll do that. Yeah.
So, how can we earn from a podcast from Apple and this thing? So, you need to have a certain number of subscriber to your podcast, and then Apple or iTunes will automatically have a monetization of your podcast. So there has to be a minimum number of people who listen to it and no fake allowed. So it has to be a genuine listener. And they have their own technique to find out how do they connect with that. It's goes like a similar like a YouTube. If you have a number of subscriber of 1,000, automatically YouTube will connect to you and they will see how many are the viewers also. And on that basis, they monetize the entire concept of YouTube. Similarly, the podcast work on a similar thing. Plus, you get a chance of the products. A businessman can actually tell you that why don't you promote my product on your podcast? For him, it is a reach, which is very important. And when you are on a podcast, you're addressing a certain subscriber or audience. Automatically, you are sharing and you are sharing the client's product to that person, and that's where the monetization of podcasting happen.
Yes, I think so. Yeah, we definitely, because what I feel is that we can simply treat our podcast channel or our YouTube channel or anything similar to a media channel or a news channel that we have today. So if we see any TV channel, how do they monetize? They monetize on the basis of advertisements, right? And most importantly, what I feel is that for the initial few days, or according to me, the main sole purpose of podcast is to be for adding value to the audience, and once we start adding value, audience will automatically be coming into your podcast, right? Coming into your channel and watching that, because I'll tell you out of my experience, even now if you go to my YouTube channel and you see, for the first 10 to 15 videos I always wanted to tell people that you can do it, you can do it, you can do it, but that motivation is okay, but motivation everybody will listen to that, and after a few days it will be gone. But what is going to stay with people, for what people are going to visit your channel and revisit and reshare and share many times with 100 people, is when you actually give some content, some value in each and every recording that you do. Rather than striving for views, it is better to strive for adding value to the audience that we have. And these are not my words. These are the words of some of the best podcasters I have seen, my inspirations, from whom I learn a lot. So these are the words from them. And even if you see any field, anything, it is not going to be about reach, it is not going to be about money, it is not going to be about what we are going to get out of it, but it is all about what we are giving to them. That is what is important, I feel. So yeah, and I think Nishant.
So what I understand from the podcast is that like a new form of radio or something?
It's actually sort of a radio culture only, but it is about sharing your view, your experience through the mode of podcasting to the audience at large.
So how many audience will connect to this our podcast, or it is from the beginning, and how many viewers?
You need to increase your reach. It's the content is the king. What audience you want to clear your podcast, or to use that proper hashtag to promote yourself, and according the audience will automatically get glued to your podcast, and they will keep on coming in.
Yes,
So
I
now
agree to
I
that.
will select a topic and I will share this over here. How it will be for our next
So
episode.
no, you need to create your own podcast channel, and you can promote in our group, and there are multiple on your Facebook profile, on your Insta, your YouTube, everywhere you can promote, and automatically the audience will start to move. Santosh, if you can just share the WhatsApp group again, Samuel needs to have it.
Okay. So I'll just share that, and I think we'll be closing in a while. So if anyone has anything to share or any questions or anything, you can be very free to share with us. And yeah.
And we will definitely will be having more such sessions And probably next time we will have like kindergarten people who actually, like Maria said, is taking an admission in a KG. So we will definitely addressing people like who are initially have never done a podcast. We will definitely help you out how to start your own channel and how to promote yourself.
Yes, yes.
Everyone has their own genre. Everyone has their own forte. You need to just identify your forte, and rest definitely we will help you out how to increase your follower, increase your viewership, and increase your confidence of delivering more and more podcasts.
Yes, yes.
Over to you,